this is my taters and squash. If you never had squash on a Blackstone, woo, it's not too late. There's my steaks right there. Got to hit the steak with the lemon pepper. Garlic and parsley. Charlotte's Choice. You season the steak. I don't pre-season the steak, but I go ahead and season it, and I go ahead and flip it over because I want that season to go ahead and be like cooking in, and I go ahead and hit it with the other side with it. And you just repeat that. And I don't put any salt. Like, I don't know. Like these seasonings, they take the place of salt. It don't need salt. I don't know. It's just different. What are you cooking, boss man? Listen, bro, I got some ribeyes, I got some squash, and I got some red skin taters on here. I got them seasoned up. I got some olive oil. Throw it on the Blackstone. And I'm letting that baby eat. Letting it eat. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, I love my porch. I built like humongous porches because I was like, I like the outside and the outdoors and beautiful things and good smelling things and like, yeah. So there you go. So make sure if you're watching, subscribe, follow me. I'm Stephen Hodges. I built this house live stream, start to finish. You can go watch any part of this you would like to. Like, I never done siding before. I put siding on. I never done tongue and groove pine. My house has got tongue and groove pine in the ceilings. I've built porches before for like some of my clients, but that's the first porch. No, that's not true. This is the second porch I built for myself because I built another porch. But anyway, I done all this live, from digging the footer like with a shovel to clearing the land with a bulldozer. Like, you can go watch any parts you want to watch. Putting the culvert in the road, the rock down the driveway, septic tank, well, like anything you want to watch, any part, you can go watch it. I don't have on here is onions. Like, I looked, I was out. I thought I had some. I thought I had onions, but I did not. I think that right there wasn't hot. Son. Woo! Oh, you didn't make it, did you, son? Yeah, I wouldn't have jumped on that grill if I was you. He met Jesus instantly. With arms wide open, under the sunlight. Welcome to this place. I'll show everything. With arms wide open. I mean, if you like taters, squash, and ribeyes, you in luck. Because, by gosh, what's what we having today? I mean, if you ain't never had a squash on a Blackstone, I'm sorry about your luck. You should live a little more. I know some people can't get out and, like, grill, and, like, a lot of people's homebound. Like, that's sad, you know? If I could cook for you, I would. Oh yeah, baby, that's the look you want right there. Like it's still juicy, but got a little char on it. Still tender. That's what you want. You want your squash to do like this. When your squash gets like that, that's winning. That was a bird coming through the bird house, the bird nest right here. My bad. I'm about to be done, bro, love. Do you feel like I feel? You hungry? Alrighty then. Little man said he's hungry. He likes when I cook. That don't need another nothing. That's done. I'll show you everything. Oh yeah. With arms wide open. Under the sunlight. Welcome to this place. I'll show you everything. With arms wide open. Everything has changed. Show you love. Two ribeyes. Done. Put the lid on that. Let me do what I didn't do last time. Let me go ahead and clean the grill because it is just a snap, crackle, pop while it's hot. take your napkin, hold it with the tongue, and wipe it. It's clean, but I always take a little bit of oil. I just wipe it with oil. I leave it oiled because it'll rust if you don't. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's winning. Make sure y'all follow me. Click the follow me, and because I do stuff all the time. Like, this is what I do for a living. I'm a digital entertainer. What I'm about to do though is plate this food because I'm ready. I'm hungry. I mean, a ribeye just falling apart. Then you gotta have your squash and taters. I'm saying, if like you could go to a restaurant and eat like something tastes this good, you could about charge whatever you wanted. No broccoli today.
You know what you need to try sometime?
What?
Some asparagus. I'd like to try.
Oh yeah?
Try them like that.
Asparagus.
I bet you make some good asparagus.
Man.
Tell me about it.
I mean, for real. What's going on, Jimmy? Man, my son's having lunch. How was that ice cream?
Did yours taste funky?
Man, I ate every drop. It was great.
I licked the cup.
He licked the cup, and like that's exactly what I said live. I was like, if I wasn't live, I would so lick the cup. Like, it's that good.
Hey, when I was trying to open the spoon, I broke it in half. No, I didn't. Well, wait, how do we just show it to you? I'm gonna show you how I was eating it.
Oh my gosh, it tastes so great. We didn't have dessert. We had it first. I don't know why when you get older, it's like you want dessert first. Man, how did you do that?
I was trying to open it.
You ate it like this.
No, I had to turn it around because they would grab more like that.
He broke a spoon.
Actually, I was using the top part of that. I was holding it like that and going.
Man, I would have had a heart attack if I had to eat it like that.
Just getting my fingers. I just didn't want to stop, but it was pretty good.
Oh man, I put extra cherries in mine. It was great. Great. Like that squash on the flat top. Don't let nobody tell you it ain't good. Like the fancy restaurants, they don't want none of it like somebody's uncle grilling.
Apparently, they ain't never had anybody's uncle grilled.
It's usually the case somebody's uncle knows how to grill. I don't know how you like the steak. In his belly.
I was gonna say that.
In my belly. All right. So we got We done got lunch out of the way. Listen, we ate it. That's how you do it. We ate at the right time to where like we don't have to eat again until about 9 o'clock tonight. Normal people's getting ready to eat supper like 5 o'clock. Not us.